Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Power Toys is installed and Fancy Zones is enabled. This is essential. Open the Fancy Zones editor now using WinPlus or the Power Toys tray icon so you can design layouts. Pick the specific monitor you'll work on because layouts are monitor-specific. Once the editor is open, choose a built-in layout or click Create New to define a custom grid. Make sure you use descriptive names and save early so you don't lose your work. You now design the detailed layout. Select custom and add or remove zones to match your workflow. Drag dividers for quick adjustments or enter numeric proportions for precise sizes when you need exact splits. Once the zones look right, name the layout and save it so you can reuse it. Configure activation hotkeys and the window snapping behavior to control how apps snap into zones. Remember to test with a few apps to verify that the proportions and hotkeys behave as expected. You complete the workflow by practicing placement. Hold your modifier key while dragging a window to see zone overlays, or use Win plus arrow shortcuts for speedy placement. Once done, enable the Restore on Monitor Reconnect option so layouts persist across docking and undocking. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Make sure Power Toys runs with sufficient permissions and that no other window manager or display utility is intercepting hotkeys. If snapping...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.